I wanted to talk about what's coming up. So next Saturday, we've got Tim Forcey, who's a bit of a character in the industry. He was, I believe he founded My Efficient Electric Home, a Facebook group, or he was an administrator there. I'm not sure if he is anymore, but he's recently brought out a book, My Efficient Electric Home Handbook, which is great. There's a whole bunch of information in there to help the homeowners find out about everything they need. You know, we've got things here on climate change and the emergency as to why. We were talking about how we're going to get off the gas. And then we've gone into some real strong action plans. So he talks a lot about heating and cooling, you know, cooking without gas, induction cooktops. You know, there's a chapter called Do You Live in a Leaky Bucket? Home insulation, windows, solar panels and batteries, are they worth it? Even what to do if you're a renter. I reached out to him and I said, Tim, buddy, I need you to come in. I want you to talk to my database about this, because we've got a lot of people that are looking into this home electrification at the moment, and they go on the whole 9 yards. So we've got that coming up.